We will never know my father's ancestral background.
Noah Hammer says when his father George died more than 20 years ago, so did his history.
Where is he from? What's his legacy? We'll never know.
We're everything from an event planner to a cosmetologist to an artist to basically a financial advisor. We are there at the moment that it needs to be done. We are literally the last opportunity to harvest that DNA. When a person's cremated, the DNA is completely destroyed, it's unusable, and over time when a person is traditionally buried, it does degrade and fall off. It's not really usable after a certain period of time. So 5 or 6 generations later you could do testing. I mean, it's designed to be extracted from multiple times, hundreds of times if necessary, because of the type of process they do to contain it. I think in the next 10, 20 years, absolutely.
Bob Buckley.
You're going to see more and more funeral homes and other funeral industries starting to get into this.
I never ever thought 46 years ago when I started as a funeral director that such a thing would ever be possible. And I think the whole concept of DNA, and we know everyone knows about DNA, but the whole concept is just absolutely marvelous.
So if my grandfather had heart disease and my father had heart disease, we know I'm higher risk, but they can actually get more scientific now and say that they had this certain DNA or gene and so do I, and therefore my likelihood is even greater. We collect some DNA samples from a person that has died, and we can either have them processed and given to the family to keep at their home, or we can send them to a lab for permanent storage.